Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account with Dovenmuehle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in dovenmuehle.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Dovenmuehle. Click on the borrowers option at the top right corner to log into your account. You will then be taken into the mortgage account login portal right away. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Dovenmuehle mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or username, you can click on forgot username or forgot password option underneath to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Dovenmuehle mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.